All right, so we have another shirt. I guess it's supposed to go with that pair of pants. Just a regular shirt, nothing too crazy. Damn, they keep on putting a lot of stuff in here. Oh, they gave me a jersey. I guess the Pirates. No, it's not the Pirates. The brand is Primitive, and that's the logo. I was about to say I'm a New York Mets fan. I do not appreciate it, but you know what? I could fucking rock that shit. A fucking hat that says cookies on it. You know what? I could probably rock this in one of my podcasts. Fuck it, I'll do it. I like cookies. All right, so what else we have? We have, I guess it looks like athletic boxer briefs. How many come in here? This looks like one. I do not mind this at all. Maybe I'll wear it, you know? This is definitely like a sexy time kind of boxer briefs, you know what I mean? They got some socks. Odd socks. I would also give this to my grandma if she were still alive, you know. Yeah. Fucking bunion proof socks. Fucking yeah, you fucking stretch this shit out. You have a mean ass bunion in there. Odd socks. I guess it's in the name, right? And they have 3 packs of silica gel. I don't know what to do with this except to throw it away and not eat it.